today again. This is FX. Let's do what we do best. Let's simplify the complicated. So this is USDJPY. What are we expecting this USDJPY? As you can see here, price was in an uptrend. Start from here. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Supposed to here higher low, then let it go up, but it's break down here, creating a lower low. And from here it's supposed to go down, which is the higher low, and continue at this manner, which is more like a head and shoulder pattern, but that doesn't matter. It's break up, creating a higher high. After a higher high, expecting it to from here, this higher low, to go up, but it will break, which make it to be a downtrend. So we are always trading in the direction of the market. On the monthly, we are expecting sales. You can see it close with the month is about to close with a bearish engulfing candle. So let's go to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, you can see it's a beautiful downtrend in the weekly. Let's start from for a break structure. This is the higher high, higher low, another higher high, but it's break structure, giving us a lower low here. Break this, breaking this support level over here, not a lower low, a lower and a lower high. So after a lower high, what do you expect? Sell to the downside. So let's go to the daily and complete the analysis. And on the weekly, as you can see, close with a bearish and engulfing candle, very strong one. You can also call it a evening star, indicating that more selling pressure that will push this market to the downside. So let's continue to the daily. What do we see on the daily? It's a good downtrend. Let me show the structure. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower equal lower high, another lower low, lower than this previous low. After that, we are seeing a retest of that this thing, of that lower high. What do you expect from here? Sell to the downside. So let's continue to the 4 hours and get our entry. This is the 4 hour time frame, and as you can see, the price is in that support level, which is a resistance level in 4 hours. You can see a rejection from that level. Like when the market open, I might place this trade, but I will choose to be more conservative. The aggressive way to enter this trade is when market open, but this is the pin bar. But I will be more comfortable when I see a close of a bearish and engulfing candle to enter this trade. So this is this for USDJPY. Let's go to the next pair. Okay, guys, this is Euro Chef. Let's start the analysis from the monthly time frame. In the monthly, what do we see? We see a downtrend. When the price comes to this support level, mostly it go up, but it hit this support level and it go up. As you can see from this level, it got some kind of selling pressure, which means the price is coming down to this, support level again for maybe break, or maybe continue up, or maybe break down to the lower side. Let's continue with the week front to the weekly and continue the analysis. The weekly, what do we see? In the weekly, as you can see, price was in an uptrend. Let's see, higher high, higher low, higher high, supposed to have a higher low here to move to the upside, but what happened? It break down, which show a shift in market structure, which give us a lower low now. So what are we expecting? Lower high, then sell to the downside. See, this is how this trade is going to play. Let's continue to the daily, continue the analysis. This is the daily time frame on Euro Chef. What do we see on the daily? You can see a downtrend. You can see this is more somehow like a double top or double this thing, anyhow you want to call it. Just and have broken it here, which is more like the neckline of this double top have broken. So what are we waiting for? A test of that neckline, then we set to the downside. So the daily and the weekly are showing us to sell. So what are we expecting? We expect more sales. Let's go to the 4 hours where we get our entry. What do we see on the 4 hour? A beautiful downtrend. This is the lower low. As you can see this arrow, lower low, lower high, then we sell from this level. We're going to wait for candle confirmation on this level. Which what are the candle confirmation? Bearish engulfing candle, a evening star, or a pin bar, significant pin bar before you stay to the downside. So this is technical analysis on Eurochef. Let's move to the next one. This is ZAO XAUSD, which is gold. Let's start the analysis from the weekly time frame. What do we see on the weekly? Price is in an uptrend. Yes, but what do we see again? I see a rejection on this resistance level. So is this rejection going to bring us down, or price may see a buying pressure and continue the uptrend? Let's go to the daily and see what is the price doing and know where the direction of the market is going. On the daily, what do we see? On the daily, price was in an uptrend. Let's see here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. Is supposed to from here and take off from this level over here and take off to continue with the direction of the market. But what happened? It broke and closed below this level, pushing it to be a bit of market structure. Now we are in downtrend. So the answer that the question we asked if we are going up or going down on the weekly, the answer have been gotten from the daily time frame. So we are going down. So we are going to look for sales on SAUSD, which is good. Now let's go to the 4 hours and continue the analysis. So this is gold on the 4 hour. What do you see? It's a beautiful downtrend. You can see. Let's start from here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower than this. So we might expect this price to sold from here. If we get a candle confirmation, we sell down. But if we don't get a candle confirmation, wait it for retest of this 4 hour resistance level and a lower low of the resistance level, and then we sell to the downside. The entry is going to be on the 1 hour time frame. Let me take you to the 1 hour, and you see how the entry is going to come about in the 1 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame. This is the first level to sell. Price does not expect this level. If you not see any candle confirmation, we leave it next level here. As you can see, I'm having my alarm all over that level. So this is my entry on gold. This is the second level entry. So this is full technical analysis on gold. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video. Thank you.